You've heard me talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness can be applied to many areas of our lives. You've heard me talk about mindfulness at work. You've heard me talk about mindfulness in our personal lives. Mindfulness is a big deal when it comes to being well and managing stress effectively. Today I want to talk about mindfulness in terms of meal preparation, meaning preparing your food. Some of you already do that. That seems to be almost instinctual for many people, where preparing meals is a time to really pay attention to what's going on, really pay attention to what you're doing. But for others, for many others, it's an automatic type of task where you're on autopilot. You're not really paying attention. And I really want you to try to be more present when you're preparing your meals, or when you're preparing meals for your loved ones, for your family. And some of you may say, well, you know what? I don't cook. I don't prepare meals, so that advice is lost on me. Not so fast, friends. Before you turn off the video, I want to tell you that mindfulness in terms of meal preparation goes beyond just cooking. So even if you have takeout, you bring takeout into your home, or even if cooking to you means nothing more than pouring a bowl of cereal or popping a frozen dinner in the microwave and cooking it, there's something to be said about presentation, about plating, putting that food on a nice plate, setting the table, and paying attention to that aspect. That's all part of meal preparation. So even if you're not technically cooking, you can still be mindful in how you plate and present your food. It's a gift to yourself that you really should try. I highly recommend that you do this. It's a way of slowing down. It's a way of paying attention to what we eat and how we eat. And meal prep is something that everybody does, whether you cook or whether you get takeout. In some sense, even if it's just plating, you're prepping what you're going to ingest, what you're going to put into your body. So today I invite you to get involved in a mindful meal preparation practice and make that part of your everyday experience.